Here I've got ZTE Axon 10 Pro, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then go to the settings. Now click on sound right here, and then go to ringtones. You've got it just under do not disturb mode. Now click on SIM 1 or SIM the second, it's up to you on which card you would like to change this ringtone, and let me show you all the possibilities, starting with the first one. And let us volume up it. And then just pick the one that you would like to apply. Can be this one. Tap on OK. And that's it. You've just changed phone ringtone. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.